Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to Tech Stack Insider. Okay, and then in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the most anticipated job in the market. Okay, so if you're a freelancer and then you are looking for um, a work from home job or a freelance job or any job that you are not required to visit the company, this video is for you. Okay, so today's video or today's job is from Sigma AI. Okay, Sigma AI. Now, please, if you are watching the video, make sure that you watch the video till the end because there are some key things that I'll be saying in the video that might help you in your future applications. Okay, and then I'm going to be showing each and every country and the jobs that you can apply in Sigma. So if you skip my video or you don't watch all the video, you might miss all those details. Okay, so please, if this is your first time watching my video, make sure you like and then subscribe. Make sure you comment anything that you think you don't understand, and I also have a WhatsApp community group that you can join to to engage with people that are doing online jobs so that you will not be left behind. Do you understand me? So now, that in your seat, let's continue with the job. So as I said, this company is called Sigma AI. Now, what is Sigma AI? What do they do? Okay, now Sigma AI is a global technology company specialized in data annotation for AI with their headquarters in Miami, Florida. So they are specialized in data annotation. Now, data annotation, let me take you through what a data annotation is. Okay, I just want to give you good evidence so that you will not be misled. Okay, so according to Gemini AI, data annotation, especially data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging new data such as text, image, audio, video to make it understandable and usable for artificial intelligence. So now, do you understand? Like just like they have made an AI, okay, that can drive. So Tesla is building an AI car that can drive. Now think about it. How do they get those data? How does a car recognize another car, recognize a person, a dustbin, a pothole, anything that's crossing the road? How can the car recognize? They are called data annotation. Do you understand? So you the rater, you are called a rater or annotator. So you the annotator is going to be tagging. If I mean tagging, you're going to be labeling each and every object that you see in a video, audio, image, anything. Do you understand me? That is termed as what? Data annotation. So now let's move on. So this is their platform or their website. It's called sigma.ai. Okay, now where can you apply the job? But before that, let me take you through the job, their employees, their investors, their growth, so that you can believe what I'm saying because this job is very uh, I mean is legit. Let me say it that way, legit, and then they are paying people for doing data annotations. Okay, now we are going to Crunchbase, and then in the Crunchbase, we are going to be studying what they do, what they really are. Okay, what Sigma AI really does. Now, according to what we read, they are data labeling, annotation, and then data collection company, which is true. Okay, now scrolling down, you notice that we get a growth score which is 91, and then we have a heat score which is 91, meaning that the company is successful. They are growing rapidly because of the rapid growing of AI. Do you understand? So it's better for you to participate in this job and then get paid because they can pay you as much as $40 per hour. I am not lying to you, I'm going to show you a proof. Okay, they can pay you as high as $40 per hour for just doing data annotation. Now, if you scroll down, you can see that the company is trending. okay, among the information services companies, okay. So it's having a high activity, meaning that people are engaging this company very well. And scrolling down, I want us to check their investments and what they've spent in their technologies, okay. So coming here, they have 122,227 visitors monthly. So it's a big deal. Okay, it's a big deal for the company. Now, how much have they spent? They have spent 3.2 million in their infrastructures, which is going to tell you that this company is serious about their job. These are not these online survey jobs that is going to tell you, oh, do this, take picture, do this. No, this company is a serious company. They don't joke. Do you understand me? Now, coming down here, you see that it says active website tech count, which is 53. Okay, so the 53, you have 53 companies or technologies that are embedded into their website. Okay, and then this is the also the things that you need to know. So yeah, these are all the information you need to know about Sigma AI. They were founded in 2008, which is quite a long time. Okay, so I think this company can be 20 years old, which is good for us. Okay, because we need companies that we can trust and then work with. So the next thing is that I'm going to be taking you to LinkedIn, where I'm going to show you their company and then the jobs that they are offering for people. Okay. Now, if you have LinkedIn, it will be an advantage for you because you are going to be getting latest updates or the latest jobs that they are accepting people in. Do you understand? So make sure that you have LinkedIn, which is going to help you. And I think I made a video about how you are going to use LinkedIn to get online jobs easily, apart from Sigma AI. So please, if you have not been following my videos, make sure you go back and then scroll through my videos. You will see a video where I was talking about how to get online jobs on LinkedIn. So on that particular video, click on it, watch it, and then make sure you watch to the end. That video is going to give you an understanding of how you are going to use LinkedIn to get online jobs, which are applying people. Do you understand? So let's continue. So for me, I'm going to go to jobs. So in jobs, I want to know all the jobs they're offering and the countries they're offering the jobs to. That is very important because we need those things to make sure that to make sure or to know the companies or the people or the countries that can apply for the job. So we go to the jobs and then these are all the jobs. So you go to show all jobs. Now if you go to show all jobs, it's going to show you all the jobs that they are offering at their platform. Okay. Now there are two things you can do. If you have a LinkedIn and then your country is part of the jobs that they are applying people, you can apply straight from LinkedIn. But if you don't know if your country is part or not, what you are going to do now is that you are going to go to their website, which is the Sigma AI. Okay. Then you go to here. But before that, let's continue or let's finish with this part so that and the last part will be us applying for the job. Okay. Yeah. So here we have Saudi Arabia. So Saudi Arabia, we have Arabic Logistic Project. Okay, this AI, all the jobs you are seeing there are AI, meaning that you are going to do it from online, and then those jobs are temporal. They are not permanent jobs. They are not 96 jobs. Okay, they are temporal jobs that they are going to cut off at the moment, at a point in time. So you need to make sure that you work and then earn money in it before the job is what cut off. Do you understand me? Fine. Now let's go through the Saudi Arabia job. So now here it says the job was posted 1 month ago. So for me, what I like to do is that I like to filter out and then go to the past 24 hours. If I don't get any job, I'll go to the past 1 week. So for the past 1 week, these are the jobs that they've posted that they need agent workers. Okay, that's close. Now here they said they want English logistic project annotators. Okay, so for the United Kingdom, so point one, we have a country, we have one country that can work in a job. The first country is what? United Kingdom. So United Kingdom can work in this job. So you put that down. Now the second thing is Brazil. Now Brazil can also work in a job. So they are looking for Portuguese and then AMP English logistic project. So they're looking for raters in that particular sector. So now peop- Brazil, Brazilians in general can apply for this job as long as you understand Portuguese. Now the next part is French. So they are looking for French logistic project. So French, no, this one is on site. So please be careful. On site in the UK. So if you are in the UK now and then you understand French, you can apply for the job and then go to their company and then I mean apply for the job. It's temporal. Okay. Now these are all the jobs that are they have posted in the past week. Now let's go to the past 1 month and then let's see the jobs that they are offering, the countries that were involved. So here we have US, which is Ottawa, Ottawa. Is it Ottawa, Kansas? Okay, so they are looking for French settlers in the US who are from Canada. That will work in this logistic project. Okay, now they also have Kazakhstan, and then they also have Brazil, India. So Indians, you can also do this job. They have Hindi, okay? They have Hindi. Now you can also someone from Serbia can also do this job, okay? Now Croatia can also do this job. London, we've already talked about London. London, Madrid. So if you're from Madrid, you can also do this job, okay? Now Peru too can also do this job. There are a lot of countries. I think I was looking for Nigeria. I didn't see Nigeria, so that's fine. But everyone, I think this job is general to everyone. I think it's general to everyone. Okay. Now, if you want to know if your country is really part, or if you want to know if you apply, you're going to get a job, you go to their website. Okay. So you go straight to their website to apply for the job. Then, if you are enabled, you can receive um, um, jobs that you can what apply. Okay. So you can get job offers if you apply from their website. So now let's go to their website. I'm there. So if you go to their website, make sure you click on the first container you see here. Okay, is black with the writings we are hiring. Go see our job opening and then help us build better. Okay, now if you click on it, it's going to take you to their employers platform. Okay, so now here we have the career platform where they're going to employ you. Now instead of going to the job opening, you can go to Connect, because the Connect is going to link you to the type of jobs that you need or you want or that you can do. Do you understand? But if you go to job opening is going to list all the jobs that they are currently offering for you. Okay, so these are the current jobs that they are offering. You can see here. Yes. Now, so for me, I'm going to use the what, the connect, because the connect is going to put you on a watch list. So anytime they have a job in Nigeria, they have a job in India, they have a job in any part of the country, they're going to send you a job offer directly to your email. That is the better way to do it than to, go through all this process. Do you understand me? So let's go to connect. Now if you go to connect, it's going to show you what what's your interest, or okay, what can you do? Okay, what can you do for us? So for me, I'll say that annotation and then translation, that's what they are mainly built for. So don't make a mistake. All these jobs you are seeing here, maybe you might click on it, but you will not get instant job. Maybe they don't even have the jobs there, because when you checked on the opening job, we found out that they are looking for annotation and translation here. So make sure that you choose annotation and what? Translation. Okay. Now if you are from Ghana and then they want people to translate from Twi to English, you'll be called. Do you understand me? Now you go to continue. So now what we're going to do now, you're going to tick these ones, put in our email. So just come just come vortex, just come vortex. Alright, good. So now we have our email. So you see what they've done? They've added me to their community. Okay. Now you see these are all the jobs that are available. Okay, if you use the open. So any basic details to share your resume with us, describe the future job updates, and then add people who can recommend you, and then settings for blah 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 blah. Okay. Now if I go to the settings and I can add my name, my image, my number, and then the job I can do. So the job I can do, I added annotation. No. So yes, so I added annotation. So let's scroll down to this one. They ask where do you want to work? So where do you want to work? I'm from Ghana, so I choose Accra. Okay, choose your country, please. Don't go and choose country that you are not from, or else you're not going to get any job from them. So job subscription, so every day they should what, send me job alerts. Okay, now from which sector? From data annotation sector. Okay, now scrolling down here, everything is ticked, everything is okay. So now you save it. So once you've saved it, let me add my name. Let me add my name. Let me add my name and then my number. Let me leave that one. That one is private. So here, after we added the the place we want to work, you see they've given me a job in Ghana. So this one is Ghana logistic project. So Ghana is a native language in Ghana for those in the greater Accra. So if you are in Ghana and then you can speak Ghana or you can read and write Ghana, you can do this job. So you see, when I apply this one, I've been able to get the job that I want in Ghana. So now these are the requirements they need from you. Okay, so now they said join Sigma AI shaping the future internet, the leading global company for 30 years. Okay, are you a proactive professional who thrives in challenges? Yes. What will you do? Sorry, as part of the logistic project, your responsibility is to categorization, annotation, correction, translation, evaluation, and okay, all these things you are going to be doing them. All tasks are remote, so means that they are performed through an online platform. Okay, now requirement, you need to be fluent in Ghana. So those that are going to do this, you have to be fluent in Ghana. Okay, able to listen and write correctly without spelling mistakes, and then fluent in English. So you have to also be fluent in what, English. So you have to have basic computer skills, and then your computer. So basically, they are saying that you only have to work with your computer. Don't use your phone. Good. Now let's go here. So when it's time for you to use your phone, they are going to be giving an audio on your phone so that you listen. Okay, so you have to get an Android Android OS, Android phone. Okay, tablets and iPhones are not supported. Note that tablets and iPhones are not supported. Only Android phones. So now, yeah, we're done with everything. You just apply for the job. So is your proficiency in Ghana a native language? Yes. So what level of English? Level of English, let's say native. Native. Yeah, native. Native. Would you in which country do you currently hold tax residential in Ghana? So what's your nationality? Ghana. Okay. Now location Ghana. First name, last name is there. my phone number. Let me add my phone number. Yes, my phone number. My resume. I have a resume on my laptop, so let me use my resume. Resume. Yeah, this my resume. So let's add a resume and then additional files. No cover letter. No, just leave those ones. And then you submit. Okay. Now you said thanks for applying. We have received your application. You review it and then get someone who can recommend you. Do you understand? So now that's simple. I'm done with my application. Now let me show you something. Just in case you want, you can also do another job. You can also come back to the settings and then go to where do you want to work. So I can untick this and then go to a different country, maybe Nigeria. Okay, let's say Nigeria. Nigeria, Netherlands. Eh, did I skip? Nairobi is part, but I didn't see Nigeria. Wait, Ni. Okay, unfortunately, I think Nigeria is not part. Or maybe they are doing it in states. Okay, so maybe Nigeria might be part. So let's see. Zimbabwe is part. I don't know why Nigeria is not part. Because even if Nigeria is part, by this time Nigeria has been flooded. Like Nigerians don't joke with this kind of jobs, and anytime they have an alert that this job is available, trust me, you won't get space because okay, let me see if I can get Lagos. Maybe Lagos might be here. No, Lagos is not here. Okay, so I think Nigeria is not part of this, but India and then the other countries are good to go. So yeah, this is all I wanted to teach about this Sigma group. Job. Let me see if they sent me an email. Good. So they sent me an email here. They said, thank you for your application. We appreciate your interest in joining Sigma. We will review your application and then get back to me. Okay. They're going to review my application and get back to me. That's simple as that. Okay. So as I'm saying, any country you are from, you're going to get a job in this company. Okay. Even if you are from Nigeria, please apply it. Maybe it's because of my location, that's why I'm not seeing Nigeria. Maybe in your location, I'm going to see Nigeria there. So please what? Apply it. So in our next video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can apply for tell us what's the name? Tell us internet safety research. Okay, the internet safety research, which is from Rita Hub Google. So please make sure you subscribe to my video, make sure you like, and then you should comment anything you don't understand because the next video will be very important. So make sure you don't miss it. Have a nice day. Bye.